Today, let this message from your angel resonate deeply in your heart. An atmosphere of reconciliation is gradually forming on the horizon, bringing with it the softness of a breeze that pacifies hearts. The connection existing between you and this person is so intense and palpable that, if only they had the chance to be alone for a moment, they would not hesitate to express their deepest feelings for each other, exploring the depths of a sincere and warm intimacy. This is a powerful and irresistible bond, a mutual attraction so clear and strong that it is impossible to ignore. However, there are some complex issues related to another person who plays a significant role in your life at this moment. This person may not only be linked to a past relationship, but also to a connection that is still evolving in the present. It may even be that they are currently involved with someone else. These intricate issues, intertwined with the life of another person, are a crucial part of the learning process that this individual has brought into your path and the development of your joint journey. Along this path, a less mature person crossed the path of this individual, serving as an unexpected catalyst for valuable lessons about the importance of being kind, attentive, and mature. These are qualities that may have been lacking in your life up to that point. This interaction, although challenging, has proven to be fundamental in illuminating aspects of your own personal growth and refining your understanding of what you truly value in your relationships. At times, this person may have given the impression of being superficial, influenced by passing friendships and ephemeral connections. However, they came to realize that this superficiality brought them no benefit, but rather attracted negative energies that deeply disturbed their emotional balance. With this realization, these superficial connections began to gradually lose their relevance, as he turns more decisively towards his own personal development. Now, he expresses his appreciation for you intensely and tangibly. Although in the past the feelings between you may not have been completely balanced, the passion he nurtures for you has grown and strengthened considerably. Even facing previous disappointments, he maintains a genuine and deep feeling. He acknowledges that he was led astray by past relationships, both romantic and friendships, which taught him to distance himself from energies that were clearly harmful to his well-being. However, he is starting to realize that you do not resemble those people from the past. To him, you have become the anchor of stability and sincerity that he so needed. Moved by this realization, he fervently desires to share his life with you, resolutely distancing himself from the negative influences that once surrounded him. Currently, he is in a process of purifying his energy, disentangling himself from individuals and situations that do not contribute positively to his life. These figures may include former friends or old relationships that treated him in an immature and superficial way. The closeness between you has become more evident, and it is tangible how this new phase of his life has strengthened the bonds between you. You may feel this change. There is a renewed energy in your environment. He is more present, more engaged, and more committed to your relationship. This is a moment of great significance in your joint journey, a time when the past is being left behind to make room for a promising future, built on the solid foundation of mutual understanding, respect, and a love that continues to grow day by day. He is decisively leaving behind situations that are no longer beneficial to him, bravely moving towards a future that, although it may cause discomfort to some people, is essential for his personal growth. This process of change requires from you a substantial amount of faith, especially because it is evident how much he believes in you. The trust he places in your figure is deep. He sees in you the right person for him, someone with whom he wishes to share life. Your presence has become so significant to him that he would be willing to wait for you, even in an alternative reality, if that were necessary to be together. Keep being authentic, prioritizing your own well-being and personal growth on your journey. By doing so, you create a path through which he will naturally find a way to approach you, strengthening the bond that unites you. Furthermore, it is crucial to recognize the influence that religious factors have on your love life, reflecting your upbringing and spiritual journey. The maturity and understanding you demonstrate regarding these aspects are strengthening the ties between you, as he now understands and values aspects that he previously found challenging. Even though your cultural backgrounds, religious beliefs, or perspectives on various subjects may differ, you are finding common ground, overcoming these differences through mutual empathy and acknowledgement of the deep love that unites you. What truly matters in your relationship are the deeply shared values. It is possible that family members or friends may not fully accept this person or hold reservations about past mistakes he may have made. These family dynamics, influenced by upbringing and other factors, stand out less for criticism and more for the presence of a powerful energy of forgiveness and learning. As both release and heal wounds from the past, you are preparing to experience deeper and more genuine love in the present. You will reconnect and further strengthen the bond that unites you. This person who may have previously appeared careless or uncomprehending has now transformed, adopting a gentle, caring, and extremely determined attitude in making the relationship work. This change is not merely circumstantial, but fueled by a profound energy that is in harmony with fulfilling destiny and divine will. This new phase demonstrates a renewed commitment not only to you but to the very idea of loving and being loved in a more conscious and responsible way. It is essential in this process of transformation and reunion that you also take a moment to observe yourself with attention and care. Look at yourself in the mirror and recognize that by taking care of yourself and nurturing your own soul, you are effectively removing obstacles from the path of true love. Understand that self-love is the foundation upon which all other loves are built. Regardless of how much you feel this message resonates with you, if anxiety has been a constant presence in your thoughts and emotions, it becomes essential to incorporate self-care into your daily routine. I encourage you to try new things that excite your spirit, to engage in activities that bring you genuine joy, and to take care of your physical and mental health with the same zeal as you would care for a loved one. Explore new horizons, even if it means taking short trips that can bring new perspectives and unexpected joys. Engage in acts of generosity, for by offering kindness to others, you strengthen your own heart. Nurture your self-love, recognize your own worth and work to maintain your inner peace and happiness. These practices are not just ways to maintain your health and well-being, they are revolutionary acts of self-affirmation that allow you to position yourself as a complete and integral person, ready to give and receive love in abundance. By taking care of yourself in this way, you prepare to receive the love you desire and deserve, strengthened and rejuvenated by your own journey of self-care and personal discovery. When true love finally enters your life, you will experience a deep sense of appreciation, as magnificent as you believe your true love deserves to be treated. This experience will be a powerful testimony that self-love is never an investment in vain. Understand that each individual, radiant with kindness and light, is an instrument of divine benevolence, deserving to ascend to the most sublime of loves. Allow these words to infiltrate deeply into your soul, echoing through your being, reaffirming your intrinsic value and essential dignity. The universe, in its infinite wisdom and compassion, fervently longs for your flourishing and will continue to guide you towards positive outcomes, regardless of the choices you make along the way. Affirm with conviction and clarity, I am worthy of love and deserve to be loved. This affirmation is not just a statement of self-acceptance. It is a powerful act of self-assertion that strengthens your connection with the universe and with the energy of love that permeates all things. To fully internalize this transformative message and receive all the blessings it promises, I invite you to share your reflections in the comments. Do this not only as a record of your experiences, but as a way to open your heart to receive and to give, contributing to an energetic exchange that enriches both yourself and others. This interaction can serve as a catalyst for more growth, understanding, and fundamentally, more love. Do not forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the upcoming messages. We look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy. Be attentive to the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.